So you'll see this untitled layer here has the blue import button underneath it. So I'm going to click there to import my data. And because my spreadsheet is a Google Sheet, I'm going to head over to my Google Drive. And I'll just use my recent folder to make it simple here. And I'm selecting my local parks spreadsheet of data that the students collected. Okay, so the first thing Google My Maps wants to know is which column of data is going to tell it where to put these place marks. So in this situation, we have a column called location. So I'm going to select location and hit continue. Next, it wants to know if there's a title that it can give to your markers. So is there a column of data that would be good to use for a title? So I'm going to select the name of the park or green space as a good option for the title for each marker. And I'll hit finish. Okay, so it's importing our data for us. And just like that, you can see all 22 of the parks that the students collected data for. You can click on the down arrow here to see all of them. You can tell that they're all styled the same. They have the blue place marker.